do you think, Dirties? What? You ready? Are we ready to go? What? What'd you think? Turtle, what do you think? What'd you think? Are we gonna go? Are we going? What? You're such a good cat. You're such a good rider. Look at you. You're so cute. What do you think?
Care of it the way he wanted it done. That's huge. It's a great place to go, and it's kind of more like a big family there. We just trust him with everything that we do anymore.
It's weird, huh? Being outside and seeing all these people.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.
So I'm gonna go get the food.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single.
Get yours now at powderhorn.com.
Turtle. We're almost home. Can you believe it? It was a fast car ride, huh? Are we home?
Come in for a meal that feels like home.
We're already home, Turks.
Open daily for lunch and dinner.
You ready? Where are we? Look at that. You see that? Where are we?